Hi there, just making a quick video of the Hamilton Beach Hand Blender. It's pretty cool. I will have the information and the model number and everything in there. Do not put in dishwasher is what I'm reading on this one. This one's pretty cool because look, it's got the little protective disc around it. So it's got a high and a low setting. That's the high. That's the low. Now, I don't know if it's a positive or a negative, but you have to keep pressing it. It doesn't just stay on there. You have to keep pressing it. But, it feels good. It's ergonomically good. I'm just going to put the camera down so I can... You untwist it to take it off. And then I'm going to set it back in a nice little handy carrier thing. And then you have to put this part to use the whisk part. So... I'll do that now. I don't have a tripod. I'm sorry. I know I need to get one. I keep saying that in all my videos. But look, see, that goes back on. Makes a different kind of a noise. But, oh well, here. Push this back so you can see that it just clips on. Can you see that? And then high. Low. I'm trying not to show you my grape stain, but I know some people are like, what's that? It's a grape stain. Oh, that's a grape stain. That's probably the chicken soup my mom made yesterday. Yeah. Okay, there it is. I'll give it a little cleaning, but listen, this is not new. It is an older model. And so it will be used in good working condition. And it's really cool because it's got this little case, so you can put it away. Not lose any parts or pieces, but there it is. Oh my god, my video went long. Okay, so I'll make another quick one. This one is a longer one. This I'll upload on my YouTube channel. We are so blessed to live in America. There's so many ways to have a side hustle. One of them is YouTube. So listen if you are so inclined. I would greatly appreciate notifications if you want some background noise. Like if you like, and that's my grandma. Subscribe, and someday maybe YouTube will take me out to lunch.